I don't even wanna go home. Yeah. Falling in love really ain't for me. Pouring it up so I feel nothing, but I still can't sleep. Niggas can't copy. You got it, baby, you got it. Yeah.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. We know Rihanna just launched her Fenty Brow Pencil, so I'm going to show you my little review slash my brow tutorial. Okay, y'all, so I already did one brow already, so you can definitely see the difference between the two. Okay, so I'm going to start by using it in with the brush, just to brush my brows into place.
With these lame hoes, they ain't bringing nothing to the table. You and me was meant to be, I know you'd say so. Baby, you know you got it, baby, you got it. Ooh, you got it, baby, you got it.
Okay, now, so I'm using the color Soft Black. And typically how I start is by outlining the shape of my brow.
That's okay, cause baby, you got it, babe, you got it. You got it, babe, you got it. You're the only one I ever been in love with. You're so damn crazy, got me picturing having your baby. Missing out on us would be a shame. Tell these other bitches who you about to claim. You got it, babe, you got it. You got it, you got it. You got it, babe, you got it.
Okay, now that I have my brow outlined to the desired look, I'm now going to begin to shade in the inside of my brow until it looks like my right brow.
Got it, you got it. You got it, babe, you got it. You got it. I don't even wanna go home. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take the end with the brush on it again and then just blend my brows.
I still can't sleep, niggas can't copy. You got it, baby, you got it. Yeah. You got it, baby, you got it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take my MAC concealer in the color NC50 and I'll just line my eyebrows with the concealer, and then once I line them, then I'm going to blend them.
Keep these other bitches pending. I'ma stick with the tequila, you one-handed. Got me all over your face like Fenty, yeah. You got it, babe, you got it. You got it, babe, you got it. Tell me why you out here messing with these lame hoes. They ain't bringing nothing to the table. You and me was meant to be, I know you'd say so. Baby, you know you got it, baby, you got it. Ooh.
Alright, all done. Honey, the brows are giving me life. Alright, so here I just added some foundation, put a little lip gloss on, and voila.
No, you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you.
Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And like I said, if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that notification bell button. And I'll see y'all next time.
Got it, you got it, you got it. You got it, babe, you got it.